campers, we have so enjoyed traveling the world with you this summer, but boy, are we glad to be home. There's, like they say, no place like home. So we're excited this week to be bringing you to our own backyard. We're going to be cooking a kid favorite, mac and cheese, but we're going to do it on our campfire. So it kind of gives it a nice crunchy smoky flavor, a little bit different than what you normally make in your kitchen. We're going to go over the ingredients and then we'll meet you in our kitchen. See you soon.
Here are the ingredients for Campfire mac and cheese. Mini aluminum tins. 1.5 elbow macaroni. Quarter jar Alfredo sauce. Half cup cheddar cheese. Half cup Parmesan cheese. Quarter cup mozzarella cheese. Quarter cup milk. Salt and pepper.
All right, campers, we are excited for this campfire recipe. We love campfires in the summertime. We try to get them in as much as possible. But if you don't have a campfire or it's just maybe a rainy day not working out for you and you still want to make this, you can do what we're doing, put it in a glass dish, cook them in the oven, bake it in the oven for at 350 degrees for probably 20-25 minutes. You can watch it from there. But we're about to get ready to make it for the campfire. So we made our noodles, just our regular macaroni noodles, right? Reed, let's start with our Alfredo sauce. Do you want to pour that in there? Or else can you?
All of it?
Yep.
All of it.
We're gonna put a jar of Alfredo sauce in there. This is super easy because all we're doing is pouring things in and mixing. Good job. Even a little tap on the bottom, perfect.
All of it? It
Yep,
smells
you got
like
it.
ranch.
It smells like ranch. It smells like Alfredo. All right, Reed, we put all of our cheeses in here. Then dump it in. The nice thing about this recipe too is there's no perfect way to make it. Just kind of add in what you have. I'm gonna add a little bit of
cheese.
Lots of cheese.
It has to have lots of cheese.
Yep, add a little bit of pepper for us. Ready?
Okay,
Yep, that's good. All right, and while Rosalind finishes mixing that up, we'll add in the milk class.
I'm the dumper.
You're the dumper. Rosalind's the mixer. Perfect.
It's making me hungry.
Yeah. Just the thought of a campfire is starting to make me hungry. All right. So that's all we had to do is just mix those things together. I'm gonna spray some of these little mini tins. Okay. Can you very carefully take a scoop? There's one for you.
We're spraying it with olive oil.
Yep, just any sort of cooking spray. It's just the type we use. Oh, it's already sprayed, girl. Can you scoop in enough?
Pretty good.
It looks pretty good.
Cooking just makes me hungry before it's even time.
I know because you're smelling all the smells. The other thing I'm going to do is take a piece of tin foil. I'm going to spray one side of it. So when we have enough to kind of cover it up, that way it doesn't stick. The inside doesn't stick. Let me help you. Yeah, the stuck on our spoon, but that's okay. So I'm going to fill it up maybe 3/4 of the way. Take our tin foil, put the sprayed side down so our mac and cheese does not stick to that. And then we're gonna put them on the coals of our fire. We're gonna fill up the rest of these and put them out there because it's gonna be part of our dinner tonight. And we'll show you what that looks like when we get outside. All right, we're in the backyard now. We burned down the fire a little bit, so we have some good coals to cook on. The other things we brought with us are an oven mitt for when we're picking up hot things, and a pair of, these are actually grilling tongs, so we can pick and grab things out of the fire. So we're going to put our mac and cheese in and see what it looks like here once they're done cooking up, right? All right, let's put them in. All right, we're excited to see what they turn out like. All right, campers, we've taken our mac and cheese out of the fire. As you can see, the cheese is all melted, a little bit of crispiness on the top and the sides, right guys?
All of them could be different, like mine's different.
Yeah, everybody's is a little bit different. So you can kind of pick your favorite.
Mine's different.
Yep, yours is different. He doesn't like his as crispy. That's okay. So we are gonna put this with the rest of our dinner and start digging in because we're hungry apparently, right? Well, thank you for hanging out with us this summer. We've really enjoyed cooking with all of you. So we hope that you enjoy the rest of your summer and that you keep on cooking. Bye guys. Say see ya.